I just got back from the grocery store, and when I got back, I realized that my package arrived. Like, I've been waiting on this package for at least a month now. So it's finally here. It's an 8-piece Rachel Ray cook set. And I'm excited because my current cook set is not the best quality. It's kind of flimsy, the paint chips off of it. And I think it's because it's not dishwasher safe. Like, I put it in the dishwasher a few times and it's chipping away. And so I finally caved in and I decided to invest in a really good quality cook set. Well, at least I hope so. I haven't tried it out yet. I just walked in from the store. So my plan is to do an unboxing for you all, show you what it looks like when you take it fresh out the box, throw it in the dishwasher, see how it reacts to the dishwasher, and then who knows, maybe I may whip up something a little later for you all. But I'm super excited about it. Another reason why I'm super excited about it is because I have an electric stove. So with me having an electric stove, this smart stove or whatever, sometimes, sorry y'all, I got a dog, so she's playing. Sometimes with this electric stove, in the middle of cooking, if the stove does not sense or feel the weight of something being on top of it while it's turned on, it'll turn off right in the middle of cooking. So it's really annoying, and I'm really looking forward to using this set because I'm hoping that the set has like the sensors that these type of stoves need or require to like pick up on it and distribute the heat evenly through the pots and pans. I feel like an old lady, like I'm getting excited over dishes, but hey, it is what it is. I'm excited to try it out. Also, I've been trying to make a conscious effort of just like eating healthier and stuff with all this Rona going on. So yeah, I'm excited about that. So yeah, it's already been wiped down. It's just drying off right now. So I'm gonna finish putting my groceries away and then come back and do an unboxing for you all. So stay tuned. Says create delicious. No matter who you are, where you are, or what you look like to cook, food is something that brings us together. Each day offers a chance to make life a little more delicious and fun than the one before it. So bring the people you love closer together today with something made from the heart. Such a heartfelt message. 8-piece stacking set. Enameled aluminum, dishwasher safe, durable construction, induction suitable, platinum shield, non-stick technology. Sounds like all the stuff I need. Okay, so let me explain what I was trying to do here, because clearly I was struggling. So basically, what I was trying to do is stack the pots and pans up the way it looks on the box, because on the box it was explaining that these pots are good for stacking and storing, and clearly I couldn't get it right, but that's essentially what I'm trying to do here, is stack all of them together. Off the top, upon opening this set, what I realized I like the most is all the knobs, handles, the spoon, and the spatula are made out of silicone. So this will make it super easy to clean, and it's soft to touch. Anytime I purchase a new item, I am very particular about details. I'm always just testing things to see how it works. So right here, I'm just testing to see, like, if this pot was to get tilted over, will the spatula and the spoon still stay on the dishes? Obviously, when you're cooking, you won't pour something out of the pots and pans with the spatula and spoon on it, but I just wanted to test it and see. Also, another thing that I was curious about was if this new set would be durable when you run it through the dishwasher. My last set, I think on the third cycle, you can start to see the paint chip and all the different things. Okay, so I want to quickly show you all what I meant by like damage. So as you can see, like around the rim, like it starts to get like discolored, and when I cook, some of the discoloring will just kind of seep into the plate, and it's just like really scratched up and banged up, and the dye just runs over into it. So it was time for some new pots and pans. So I've had this set for a couple weeks now, and so far so good. I haven't had any of the issues that I had with my previous set, and I've been cooking a ton since I've been indoors. So that's all I have for today. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and feel free to let me know if you have any additional questions or comments below. Thanks for watching.